Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Yves once here again. So today I'm going to show you how to sew a band to your lace frontal. Now this is going to come in handy if you don't like glue or if you don't like gel. If you just want to throw your wig on your head and just move out. Gonna keep it in place without falling off. It's gonna save you the embarrassment of losing your wig in public. You're gonna need an elastic band. This is so cheap, you can get it online or from your local market. You're gonna need some thread. I'm using a cotton thread. Also gonna need a needle. So first of all, you have to cover your head with a wig cap because obviously you're gonna wear your wig with a wig cap. This is gonna help get the perfect size. Now get your elastic band and put it from ear to ear as I have done over here. Now make sure it's about 1 centimeter above your ear level. This is gonna help pull it down very well. Now make sure it's not too tight or else you're gonna get headache. And it shouldn't be too loose or else it's not gonna serve its purpose. Now just use your nail to mark the correct length, okay? And then just cut it off with a scissors. So here is my frontal wig. And I'm gonna place the band just about, a centimeter off the edge. And I'm gonna sew it down using the needle and the thread. I'm gonna hem it down, I'm not gonna tuck it down. Tucking is not gonna secure it very well. It's better to spend a little more time and energy to, hem it down. As you can see, I'm sewing it through the lace. This is really gonna secure it in place. So when I get to the end, I'm gonna make about 2 to 3 knots and cut off the thread. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. So here we are now and it is ready. As you can see, it was so easy. So to put it on, you're gonna place the band at the lower part of your head. Then you're gonna pull the wig forward. This is really gonna secure everything in place. You just style it as you want and you're good to go. So if you go to the nightclub or if you go dancing or if you go fighting or whatever, you can just shake your head and your wig is not going to come off. It is secured without glue nor styling gel. And you can hold it in a ponytail. Okay guys, so this is it. I hope you like it and I hope you're gonna give it a try. If you've not subscribed to this beautiful channel, dear, what are you waiting for? Just hit the subscribe button and join this wonderful family. Please don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Until next time, I'm gonna see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.